Hello there, this is Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. You can see my phone number right here. Call me anytime, day or night. I will help you. I will answer questions for you. I will also answer questions for your prospects. If you join this opportunity and you don't know what to say, you don't want to talk to people, just send them to me. Give them my phone number, but I have to know that you sent the person to me. So send me a text saying, hey, Sally's going to call you and she has questions about the wealth step-by-step opportunity, and I will do all the selling and telling and answering questions. I've been in this opportunity since July of 2024. It pays me every month. It's residual income opportunity. And I can show you proof in my back office of all the payments that I've received at the end of the month, the beginning of the following month. Usually within the first 3 or 4 days, we get paid through Zelle, Cash App, or Venmo, or crypto, or however you want to receive your payments, PayPal or whatever. Here's my email address, that's my phone number, 352-286-8014. My email is 123localfriends@gmail.com. 123localfriends with an S@gmail.com. This is the wealth step-by-step opportunity. Here's my ID number, MJ8014. This is the link I'm going to put in the pinned comment and also in the video description. member-mj8014.dailycashteam.com. That's my subdomain, the affiliate link that I'm using. Go there, watch the video, click on the button, and follow the steps. So the next following video you're going to see is by Bob Peterson. Bob made the video, but I edited the video. So hold on a second.